Welcome to 50 mind-blowing country facts. How well do you really know the world? Let's find out. Like and subscribe, and let's go. Which country has so many saunas that even its parliament building has one, with 3.3 million saunas for just 5.5 million people? Is it A, Finland, B, Norway, or C, Sweden? The correct answer is A, Finland. Which desert kingdom surprisingly imports camels from Australia, a country famous for kangaroos? Is it A, Saudi Arabia, B, United Arab Emirates, or C, Qatar? The correct answer is A, Saudi Arabia. Which country holds over 60% of all the world's lakes, more than the rest of the world combined? Is it A, Canada, B, Russia, or C, United States? The correct answer is A, Canada. In which country could you walk for days without seeing another person, with only 2 people per square kilometer? Is it A, Kazakhstan, B, Mongolia, or C, Namibia? The correct answer is B, Mongolia. Which country operates an Arctic seed vault with 1 million samples, serving as Earth's food supply backup drive? Is it A, Norway, B, Finland, or C, Iceland? The correct answer is A, Norway. Which country has more pet shops than children's clothing stores, with more pets than children under 15? Is it A, Japan, B, South Korea, or C, Singapore? The correct answer is A, Japan. Which South American country recognizes 37 official languages, more than any other nation on Earth? Is it A, Peru, B, Bolivia, or C, Ecuador? The correct answer is B, Bolivia. Which country, despite being one of the world's oldest democracies, didn't grant women voting rights until 1971? Is it A, Austria, B, Switzerland, or C, Liechtenstein? The correct answer is B, Switzerland. Which country is the world's largest archipelago, made up of over 17,000 islands with about 6,000 inhabited? Is it A, Philippines, B, Malaysia, or C, Indonesia? The correct answer is C, Indonesia. Which tiny nation has the world's highest crime rate per capita due to millions of visitors, but only 800 residents? Is it A, Monaco, B, San Marino, or C, Vatican City? The correct answer is C, Vatican City. When Muscovites are having breakfast, what meal are people in Vladivostok enjoying? Is it A, midnight snack, B, lunch, or C, dinner? The correct answer is C, dinner. What unique distinction did Libya's flag hold from 1977 to 2011? Is it A, most colors on a flag, B, only solid color flag, or C, largest flag in area? The correct answer is B, only solid color flag. Which 2 countries are the only places on Earth where Coca-Cola is not sold? Is it A, Venezuela and Myanmar, B, Iran and Syria, or C, North Korea and Cuba? The correct answer is C, North Korea and Cuba. Despite being 115 times smaller, which country has a larger population than Russia? Is it A, Pakistan, B, Bangladesh, or C, Philippines? The correct answer is B, Bangladesh. Which country boasts the world's highest number of golf courses per capita? Is it A, United States, B, New Zealand, or C, Scotland? The correct answer is B, New Zealand. Which tiny European nation is the world's second largest food exporter after the USA? Is it A, Denmark, B, Belgium, or C, the Netherlands? The correct answer is C, the Netherlands. Which African country, surprisingly, has the continent's longest coastline at 3,333 km? Is it A, Somalia, B. Madagascar, or C. South Africa? The correct answer is A. Somalia. What does Bhutan measure instead of GDP to track national progress? Is it A. Quality of life score, B. Life satisfaction index, or C. Gross national happiness? The correct answer is C. Gross national happiness. Which country shares France's longest land border at 730 km? Is it A. Brazil, B. Germany, or C. Spain? The correct answer is A. Brazil. Which fast food giant left Iceland in 2009 and never returned? Is it A. McDonald's, B. KFC, or C. Burger King? The correct answer is A. McDonald's. What makes Lesotho truly unique among all countries? It's the only nation entirely above what elevation? Is it A. 1,000 meters, B. 500 meters, or C. 1,500 meters? The correct answer is A. 1,000 meters. Despite Egypt's fame for pyramids, which country actually has more pyramids with 222.55 structures? Is it A. Mexico, B. Peru, or C. Sudan? The correct answer is C. Sudan. Australia's dingo fence stretches an incredible 5,614 km. How does that compare to the Great Wall of China? Is it A. half as long, B. about the same, or C. twice as long? The correct answer is C. twice as long. Ethiopia's unique calendar has 13 months. How many years behind the Gregorian calendar are they currently living? Is it A. 7 years, B. 5 years, or C. 9 years? The correct answer is A. 7 years. Pakistan holds a stunning record for glaciers outside polar regions. How many does it have? Is it A. 3,000, B. 5,000, or C. 7,000? The correct answer is C. 7,000. Singapore's chewing gum ban is so strict. What's the only way you can legally have gum in the country? Is it a tourist exemption, B. medical prescription, or C. special permit? The correct answer is B. medical prescription. Mexico City is sinking dramatically at 50 cm per year. How does this compare to Venice's sinking rate? Is it A. about the same, B. 10 times faster, or C. twice as fast? The correct answer is B. 10 times faster. Denmark's highest natural point is only 170 meters. How does that compare to typical skyscrapers? Is it A. about the same, B. much shorter, or C. much taller? The correct answer is B. much shorter. Turkey's Istanbul is the only major city split between two continents. Which ones? Is it A. Europe and Africa, B. Asia and Africa, or C. Europe and Asia? The correct answer is C. Europe and Asia. Paraguay has no ocean access, yet maintains one of the world's largest landlocked navies. How many personnel? Is it A. 1,000, B. 3,000, or C. 5,000? The correct answer is B. 3,000. In Iran, what surprising percentage of university students are women? Is it A. over 60%, B. 45%, or C. 52%? The correct answer is A. over 60%. What makes Nauru unique among world capitals? Is it A. underwater capital, B. no official capital, or C. two capitals? The correct answer is B. no official capital. How long is Chile compared to famous European distances? Is it A. London to Moscow, B. Paris to Berlin, or C. Madrid to Rome? The correct answer is A. London to Moscow. Greece has more archaeological museums than any country despite being smaller than which U.S. state? Is it A, California, B, Texas, or C, Alabama? The correct answer is C, Alabama. Which Yemeni city is called the Manhattan of the desert for its ancient skyscrapers? Is it A, Aden, B, Shibam, or C, Sana'a? The correct answer is B, Shibam. What bold decision did Costa Rica make in 1949 that still defines it today? Is it A, made education optional, B, abolished its military, or C, banned all cars? The correct answer is B, abolished its military. Kazakhstan holds which impressive geographical record? Is it A, largest landlocked, B, highest elevation, or C, most neighbors? The correct answer is A, largest landlocked. How does tiny Tuvalu earn 10% of its national income? Is it A, gold exports, B, tourism taxes, or C, its TV domain? The correct answer is C, its TV domain. How many lakes does Poland surprisingly contain? Is it A, over 500, B, over 1,300, or C, over 800? The correct answer is B, over 1,300. What percentage of Libya is covered by desert? Is it A, 85%, B, 99%, or C, 92%? The correct answer is B, 99%. Which country starts hanging Christmas decorations in September, celebrating for 4 straight months? Is it A, Mexico, B, the Philippines, or C, Colombia? The correct answer is B, the Philippines. In which country could you theoretically give every resident 38 square kilometers of land? Is it A, Iceland, B, Greenland, or C, Mongolia? The correct answer is B, Greenland. Which nation has a median age of just 15.9 years, making half its population younger than a high schooler? Is it A, Uganda, B, Mali, or C, Niger? The correct answer is A, Uganda. Where will you find that 1 in 3 residents is a millionaire? Is it A, Singapore, B, Luxembourg, or C, Monaco? The correct answer is C, Monaco. Which coffee-producing powerhouse ranks as the world's 3rd largest beer consumer instead? Is it A, Brazil, B, Vietnam, or C, Colombia? The correct answer is A, Brazil. Which country constitutionally banned all religions from 1967 to 1991, becoming the world's first atheist state? Is it A, Bulgaria, B, Romania, or C, Albania? The correct answer is C, Albania. Which nation didn't criminalize slavery until 2007, despite officially abolishing it in 1981? Is it A, Mauritania, B, Sudan, or C, Yemen? The correct answer is A, Mauritania. Which major nation is one of only 3 countries without a written constitution? Is it A, Australia, B, Canada, or C, the UK? The correct answer is C, the UK. Where can you watch the sun rise over the Pacific and set over the Atlantic, all in one country? Is it A, Panama, B, Costa Rica, or C, Nicaragua? The correct answer is A, Panama. Which tiny European nation dominates the global market for false teeth production? Is it A, San Marino, B, Andorra, or C, Liechtenstein? The correct answer is C, Liechtenstein.
If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.